There's an old man in a uniform at the local Walmart store, selling $3 raffle tickets for a picture on the floor. And as he called me over, I asked him what's it for. He said the local 133 were veterans of foreign war. But in his mind he wondered if I knew everything that he had to go through. Will you remember all that I've done? Will you remember those that are living now and those that are
I had a
gone?
chairman drop out the thing on top of me, put a knife on my head right here.
So I asked him what the ribbon was there on his chest.
And the day I left over there, a bomb went off at a commissary at Rhein-Main Air Force Base, killed 23 soldiers. And I got out just about 2 hours before that bomb went off.
See, back in 45, he was fighting for me. Will you remember all that they gave? Will you remember those that are living now and those that are gone?
I mean, I was scared. I was just shaking.
So I asked him how it happened back in 45. He just smiled and looked away. Said every day I thank God I'm alive. But if you know the story,
Don't think for a minute that I don't appreciate this, every one of you. You're all my brothers in some way or another, sisters.
And my dog. And my dogs
Thank
are
you very
here.
much.
You're welcome.